Making sure you have a bowel movement every day is important for our gut health and our overall health. So let's go over some things that you can be doing to make sure that you have a bowel movement daily. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Alyssa. I'm a naturopathic doctor and I specialize in gut health. Pooping is basically a way of our body getting rid of waste and toxins that we no longer need. Making sure you have a bowel movement daily is really important so you can get these things out of your body. And specifically in females, we tend to have a slower digestive tract, so this makes us more prone to constipation, and because our metabolism and our hormones have a big influence on our bowel movements, we don't tend to go as much as males. The first thing I would suggest is make sure that you're hydrating. Having at least half of your body weight in water in ounces. And if you want to switch it up and you're sick of just plain old water, try some tea or some flavored water. And no, coffee doesn't count. Water helps everything move through our digestive tract a lot smoother. Having a cold glass of water with some lemon juice in the morning is a really great way at jump-starting your digestion in the morning as well. Take a look at your diet and make sure you're eating enough fiber. I usually suggest about 25 grams per day. Here's a list of high fiber foods. Of course, there are some supplements that can help, like magnesium oxide or magnesium citrate. If you feel as though you need to rely on a supplement or a laxative, I would suggest looking at these two areas of your life first because they're a little bit more overlooked than the rest. If you're still struggling, I urge you to find a doctor that helps you address the root cause of your constipation. And as always, if you want more information on how to support your digestive tract naturally, hit that follow button.